Don't think about where I am now, just where I wanna be instead. I'm losing so much precious time, but will I be satisfied in the end?
From Presbyterian Church, I'm currently looking for unemployed, looking for a job.
Hi everybody, we just finished lunch and now we're heading back to Jubilee.
Yes, that's right. We're heading back to Jubilee right here. We have Dorothy. Hi.
She's the host of the day and now she's gonna tell you what we're gonna do next.
That's right.
Actually, I don't know what we are going to do next, but all I know is we are going to continue our talk with, what's his name?
The food coma is real, okay? So every time after lunch we're going to go back for a talk. It's actually very difficult to sit through it, but we try our best. Everyone is very passionate and all ready for this, okay?
Not bad. If it's going to be the Roman Catholic version of it and our version of it, I think it's going to be quite interesting.
Everyone is on their way, but I am standing still, comparing my behind the scenes against their highlight reel. I'm burning so much energy, won't let it keep distracting me anymore.
Hey guys, we are at Trinity Theological College and we just ended a very long, intensive day of lots and lots of lectures, and we have a lot of people with us today.
About like communicating ideas about God and like it's not just like Christian, but you can like engage non-believers.
Very interesting. So would you recommend STEP to other people?
Yes, like it's come.
Amazing!
Yeah, today has been a very interesting day. Learn a lot about your Old Testament and New Testament and how you should be reading the text.
The thing about STEP is that you can make extremely great puns, like let us walk down these steps now. Okay, that's all for today and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Out.
Today we live, today we breathe, today we know that we are strong when we are weak.
Hey, now we are at LBS, we just finished. So LPC is already, yeah, so now we are moving on to the Rabbi Zechariah thing right now, yeah. Okay, bye. Where are we going?
I'm going to... there I am. No, for dinner first.
We're also explained as well.
Hi, now we're on the tour for SBC. Now we're seeing a future student here.
Are you okay? I am!
Eat your dinner. Where are you going to eat your dinner?
Pizza Hall. Yeah, it's so good. It's better for me.
Today is ours. It's always been. Before we face the fight, we know who's gonna win. We live by.
Hi everyone, we are from Providence Presbyterian Church.
Hi! 我们是从群山堂。
Hi guys, I'm from Grace Community Center.
Hi guys, we are from Choosing Presbyterian.
Hey guys, I'm from Katong Presbyterian Church.
Hey guys, we are from Living Praise Presbyterian Church.
Hi everyone, I'm from Charlie Presbyterian Church and this is STEP 2018.
Hello guys, congratulations on graduating. Sorry that I'm in Indonesia right now and cannot graduate with y'all, but hope y'all had fun and then y'all learned something throughout this entire program. Yeah, see y'all guys, bye bye.